Have you tried everything to lose weight, but it seems like something always goes wrong? Diets, workouts, lifestyle changes. At first, they seem to work, but then your weight plateaus and frustration takes over. The truth is, without realizing it, you might be sabotaging your progress. The good news is that by identifying some common mistakes, you can turn things around and finally see the results you've been hoping for. The first mistake many people make is thinking they're eating healthy but actually overdoing it with portions. Imagine this. You replace cookies with nuts, desserts with fruit, and sodas with natural juices. That's a great start, right? Yes, it's a significant step forward. But what many don't realize is that even healthy foods have calories. A handful of nuts, for example, can have more calories than the snack you're trying to avoid. The issue isn't the food itself, but how much of it you're eating. It's not about restriction. It's about balance. A good tip is to pay attention to portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger signals. Another mistake that often goes unnoticed lies in the drinks you consume. Many people underestimate the caloric impact of seemingly simple choices, like a fruit juice, a sugary coffee, or that bottled iced tea that looks harmless. These beverages can add up to hundreds of calories throughout the day without you even realizing it. Think about how this affects your progress. Switching to water or calorie-free drinks can make a massive difference. And if you like flavored options, a functional tea can be a powerful alternative. In fact, there's a tea that's not only delicious but also helps boost metabolism and burn fat throughout the day. The link is in the description if you want to learn more. Now, let's talk about something that most people don't directly associate with weight loss but is absolutely crucial. Sleep. Did you know that poor sleep can completely derail your efforts? When you don't get enough rest, your body becomes unbalanced. It increases levels of a hormone called ghrelin, which stimulates hunger, and lowers levels of leptin, the hormone responsible for making you feel full. This means you end up eating more than you should without even realizing it and crave less healthy options. So, if you're only sleeping 5 or 6 hours a night, this might be one of the reasons the scale isn't budging. Prioritizing your sleep is just as important as eating well and exercising. Speaking of exercise, here's another critical point. Many people believe that working out intensely is enough to lose weight but ignore the importance of diet. Let's say you run on the treadmill for 30 minutes and burn about 300 calories. After that, you feel hungry and grab a quick snack. If you're not careful, you might consume more calories than you just burned. This doesn't mean exercise doesn't help. It's essential for your health and to speed up results, but it's crucial to pair it with a balanced diet. One doesn't replace the other. They work together. And perhaps the most common mistake of all is a lack of patience. We're used to wanting quick results. If the scale doesn't show a difference in a week, we start doubting everything we're doing. But sustainable weight loss doesn't happen overnight. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it, nurture it, give it attention, and the fruits come in their own time. The key is to stay consistent and focused, even when progress seems slow. Every step counts, and every small victory deserves to be celebrated. If you've made it this far, I want to tell you something important. There's no magic formula, but there are ways to make the process easier. Small changes can lead to big transformations. If you want an extra boost, there's a product that can be the perfect ally on your journey. It's a tea that not only speeds up metabolism but also helps your body burn fat naturally, day and night. It's non-invasive, doesn't require drastic changes, and many people have already seen impressive results with it. The link to learn more is in the description. I highly recommend checking it out and seeing how it can complement what you're already doing. Finally, remember this. Losing weight isn't about punishment, restriction, or suffering. It's about understanding your body, making smart choices, and, above all, being patient with yourself. When you avoid these mistakes and make small adjustments, everything starts to fall into place. You deserve to achieve your goals and live a lighter, healthier, and happier life.